Today we're playing a game called Crawl Space. It is really creepy. Ooh, popcorn for me? Don't. Anyway, that's boring. What's this? I'm on day 2, I think. Yeah, night 2, because I played a little bit a different day, but luckily I didn't get attacked or anything spooky happened. Oh no! Yo, no, please don't do this to me. Y'all better like and subscribe. I am not doing this for free. Y'all got me messed up if you think I am. Baby doll! No! I'm sorry. No, I'll leave it alone. Just don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. No, I'm brave. I'm brave. I'm brave. You back off! I said back off. I'll fight. Yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done.
At saka po after din ng
We're back.
Hey, how's it going? Good? That's great.
Yo. No. Not again. Yo, what is that thing? That's new. That's new. Okay, so just get in there nice and slow. Try not to waste any time. So it said get out that guy's line of sight last time. You know, whenever I got scared off, because, like, who wouldn't get scared by that? You can't blame me. And doors opening once more, yet again. It's hard, man. It's hard. And it's scary.
Come here for a second.
I'm not coming anywhere for a second. You can shut your mouth. I would rather die than have to listen to you or be with you or do anything to do with you. Shut up. I hate you. You suck. You literally suck more than anything on the planet. Stop talking to me. I'm the one talking. Why are the dolls moving? I'm not even doing anything. Don't. There's still one more. This is peak rage bait. I'm glad y'all are probably having a good time though. There's eerie music, my headset's itchy, and there's a puppet that wants to yell at me. I said no! I said you're stupid! I said I hate you! Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I got reflexes like never before, baby. If he catches me down this hole, though, I might be cooked.